welcome to EA Sports live coverage of this matchup. So without further ado, we're off to the stadium. Your commentary team is Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
We'll have a fine game for you today. Welcome to it. Martin Tyler here, along with Alan Smith. Well, we've been looking forward to this, Alan. The sides do look pretty evenly matched. Would you go along with that?
I think that's fair. Whether it'll pan out that way, we shall wait and see, but not much to split them.
Andriy Markinov is the official today. So here we go, we're underway here. That's quick-witted play, but quick movement as well to avoid the slide tackle. The defenders come in well here, timed his approach and got the ball. Just a little dinked pass forward there. And in goes the cross. What can he do now? It's in. Deflected off the defender. It was a move to make your mouth water. Great goal.
Well, coming in from the right, that was so inviting. Wonderful delivery.
Great ball, great goal.
The timing was great and the bravery to get ahead of his man.
It was some header. Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Into Kovacevic. On to the attack now. Here's the opportunity. Got to be. And that's the goal that's brought them level. Keeper couldn't get down quickly enough to deal with such a low and effective shot.
Well, it was a marvellous finish, Martin. He's in the right place at the right time there. Wonderful goal.
Well, we're back at level pegging again at 1-1. Tries to make the tackle. Challenged quickly by the opposition. Nenad Miliash. Well, that will be a throw, although a few of the players were appealing for a corner. It's looking good, this move. It's Kovacevic with possession here. This is Sasha Ilic. Lazovic. And the referee does blow. The flag was up from the assistant. This is Sasha Ilic, Nenad Miliash, Lazovic. It's Kovacevic with possession here. Well, they're in a good position here. Passing in front of the opposition, but they're still keeping the ball. That's important. Can go in from here. It's a throw-in given, very close to being a corner. Nenad Miliaš. This is Sasha Ilic. Very good tackle. It's Kovacevic with possession here. You can see what he was trying to do, just stretch the opposition by getting the ball out wide, but it's gone out for a throw. Nenad Miliaš. Three minutes to be added on. Well, that looked promising, but he's been stopped. Into Kovacevic. That's the way to win the ball back. And that's the half-time whistle from the referee. 1-1 at the break. I've enjoyed this first half. It hasn't been a classic, I must say, but it's just a balance in there. And the fact that we've had a couple of goals has just added to it.
Yeah, and that's the reflection, I think, of the quality of the strikers out there. And I wouldn't be surprised to see a few more goals after the break.
So we reach half-time. It's nicely balanced with the score 1-1. Let's take a look back at the highlights from that first half, and then we'll be back over to your commentary team for the second half.
So the referee's happy, and the second half gets underway. That's good balance to avoid the sliding challenge. Nenad Miliaš. Wanted the ball and got it. Attacking well here. Oh, the attacker's done well, beaten his man. Dealt with by the defender, the cross. Some options on the bench for the home team. And they've cut it out. Now Lazovic. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. piece of tackling done. This is Sasha Ilic. Tackle here. Options available on the bench for the away side today. Ball goes out of play here quite clearly. An attempted pass, not a good one. It is time now for the managers to show their hands with their substitutions. Both managers are going to do this. Excellent defensive tackle. Nenad Miliash. Going to be a substitution here for the home side. Well, that's a real tussle for the ball there. Rao. Nenad Miliash. It's Kovacevic with possession here. Attacking now. Great chance. And the shot's on. The keeper refusing to be overpowered here. What a shot. And the decision is a corner here. It is a key moment in the match, really. And the manager here not settling for level pegging. He's going to try and do something to put his team into the lead. It's a great tackle. He's really been solid today. Tackled well. One or two players are warming up for the home team. We'll see who comes on. Opportunity here. Nice piece of tackling here, and that's strong defending. Well, we're still level here, and we're going to have a substitution. Is this the way to alter the match in their favour? Into Kovacevic. In strongly. And it's level pegging here at the end of 90 minutes. Well, now we are going to have a substitution, and at this stage of the game, it's still level. This is what the manager will hope will be the decisive moment. Stamina and strength come into play now, as well as skill. Extra time begins. Good challenge. On the attack here. Keeper got a touch, I think. Well, we don't know what would happen in the closing minutes, and there aren't many of those left, so had he scored here, he could have really tilted it his team's way.
Yeah, cometh the hour, cometh the man, and he wasn't the man, was he?
Can he turn away from the challenge here? And it's gone for a corner. Oh, it was an easy clearance from the corner, and they could attack from this, actually. And the defender has done very well here, got his foot in. Still trying to get on the ball, but he looks absolutely exhausted. Well, this is the big call from the coach. This is how they earn their money. And they're going to try and alter their style of play here with the alteration of personnel. Tackle here. He got there just in time. In the end, a fantastic clearance. It's been a really good match, this. And we reached the end of the first half of extra time. The end of half-time in extra time. We're underway with the second period. Nenad Milias. Wow. Promising build-up until that challenge. He's given the free kick. Anything else to come? Decent cross, but no one really attacking it for his team. Defender can deal with it. It's very close to the end of the game, and it's still level, and we've been that way for some time. Is there a winner? Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Well, that's a shame because he is tired. He's getting on the ball, but it's a big effort from him. He's coming forward with some danger. Oh, trying to get clear, but he's offside. Now Lazovic. You can see what he was trying to do, just stretch the opposition by getting the ball out wide, but it's gone out for a throw. Got a chance here. That's a chance to attack in numbers. Well, penalties on the agenda here, and that's what we need to settle this contest. This will be the first penalty, and everyone watching to see how it starts.
And the goalkeeper's been deceived by that. Well, it takes a bottle to stutter on the run-up, but he had it, and it paid off. Too close to the goalkeeper.
Can he take it on? The responsibility here, it's a big ask. Keeper's done very well here. And the penalty is off target.
Well, nobody likes to see a player miss under those circumstances.
Oh, tension got to him, made it easy for the goalkeeper. Well, he scored in the shootout. Put the penalty away, and very confident he was. Well, is he going to be up to the task here? I'm not sure. No nerves from him in this shootout. Doesn't look quite right as he steps up to take the penalty. That chip, if it works, it's wonderful, but this didn't work.
Well, to try that under these circumstances, I can't understand it.
He has to score.
Doesn't he just about keeping his nerve?
And he scored, and they've won it.
Well, just when you need a cool head, he has provided it.
Oh, the penalty shootout, such a nerve-wracking event, and it's been decided by that. I hope you've enjoyed it. From Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler. We'll see you next time.
Well, what drama in the penalty shootout. I'll leave you with the full match highlights, and until next time, I've been Jeff Stelling. See you then.